there are also some other principles. You understand now? You know, inside the atomic principle, number of the atomic number is equal to the number of proton. That's another one. When we get there, I will explain. The atomic number is always equal to the what? Number of proton. There's something we call mass number and also what? Atomic number. So I cannot rush to that place now until when we finish this foundational level. Are you guys getting me now? Can I continue? So now, when we come to hydrogen, the K shell is what? 1. So what is going to fill the K shell is what? 1. Or you see some textbooks will say the K1. Some will call it K1 like that. Are you guys getting me? K1. So when you feel the shell structure now, it will be like the C. Nucleus, after nucleus, you now have the what? K shell. And how many electrons? 1. Simple. That's it. So this is the element hydrogen. The symbol, the K element configuration is 1. Are you getting me now? And then this is the shell structure. So, are you guys with me now? So that's why I said that you should put your book, let your book be in a landscape format, so that at least it can fit. Because by the time you draw the structure might not be able to. Okay, for example, look at this girl. You can say that this structure cannot fit 1 line. Sometimes it has to be 2 lines. So that's why I said let us be smart as you are writing your notes. So if you are putting it in the longitudinal wall, if you put it like this, you see, you might not have the luxury of having an expansive medium to carry everything I want to write here. So now, number 2, that's atomic number 2, which is what? Helium. Atomic number 2 is what? Helium. And that is what? H what? He. A chemistry student must learn both the name and the symbol. Because as time goes on, you are not going to be using the name now, you are going to be using symbol. For example now, if you are talking about chemical reaction, in chemical reaction, you cannot say, when you say, okay, sodium hydroxide plus HCl, hydrochloric acid. Are you getting me now? So at that point, nobody will expect you to be writing sodium hydroxide in name. You have to write it in what? In symbol. So it's a compound. So that compound of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. So that is the reason why it is important that you must know the symbol. So this symbol is part of chemistry. So because when I saw the books of some of you now like this, I saw the way you are writing the symbol, and all part some of you didn't even know the meaning of the symbol. They didn't even know how to write the symbol. So that's the reason why symbol is very important in chemistry, because by the time you are representing them in chemical reaction, you will use symbol. So this compound is sodium hydroxide, which has agglomeration of sodium. You can see, by the time I get to sodium number 11, are you getting me now? You see Na. It collaborates with what? Oxygen. And then it collaborates with what? Hydrogen. So hydrogen H. That's the guy there now. Can you see? So you see the importance of you learning this symbol. Are you guys getting me now? So that's why this topic is a foundational what? Topic. For any one of you that wants to be going forward in this science ministry, in this chemistry ministry. Because I don't like you to be like Olamide, science student. Science student. That's what the science student ever. That's that kind of science student is not what we are talking about here. Oh. You understand that? So that's the reason why you as a science student must understand this concept. So let's go. The K shell, since it is 2, so the shell will be what? 2. Don't forget I've told you the maximum number of electrons that can fill the K shell is how many? 2. So if I call this 2, I can also say K what? K2. Now if I draw the structure, see now, that will be 1 and what? 2. That's the guy. So for some of you that you do not understand this thing, and you are looking at it like it's magic, because I saw some of you, when you saw the textbook, you saw, can you just be? Is this a ball? Is this a football? No, it's not a football. It's the way they represent most of all these things, these elements. The way they are represented. And by the time you guys get to higher level, oh my God, you start seeing them in a broader level. But this is the foundation. Number 3, that is atomic number 3. Atomic number 3. What is the guy? Is what? Lithium. Lithium. And the symbol is what? Li. Li. Lithium. There's another topic again. When we move on, you see, okay, how do you represent some of all these elements in their symbol. Some symbols come from their maybe Latin name or whatever name. Are you getting me now? Like iron. When we get to iron, somebody will be expecting iron. In fact, don't let me even go to iron. Iron is even too far. Let's just talk about sodium. Some of you will be thinking, Shebi, uncle, you have been writing everything. The hydrogen, H, helium, He, lithium, Li. Why not when we get to sodium, SO? Why not write SO in sodium? Uncle, you are a wayo teacher. You are much of a wayo. Now, not wayo. The people that created it to avoid the mistake of tautology. Are you getting me now? Because there are so many other things that start